Hello friend, welcome to the Mintoss mode. So today we are going to see how CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope, work. So this is the generalized block diagram of oscilloscope, and the major block of oscilloscope consists of and CRT, vertical amplifier, delay line, triggering circuit, time base, horizontal amplifier, and supply and CRT. So this is the CRT. This is an heart of an oscilloscope. The main work of an CRT is it is used to generate an electron beam by electron gun, and this electron beam will be accelerated to a high voltage, and these plates, this is vertical plate, this is horizontal plate, these plates are used to deflect those electron beam to create an image. And this is the screen. This is made of phosphorus screen. This is made of phosphorus, and here we will find the output image like sinusoidal or others. So this is the work of an CRT. That's why this is called the heart of oscilloscope. And this is the power supply. We use two types of power supply, high voltage and low voltage. Why use two types of power supply? Because CRT need a high voltage power supply around 1000 volt, because it's need to amplify the electron beam to a high voltage, so it need a high voltage. And other circuits, other blocks like triggering circuit, time base, and horizontal amplifier will need a low voltage around 100 voltage. Okay, so you can understand what is the work of CRT and what is the work of power supply. Now we move to the from the input signal. The input signal goes to the vertical amplifier. What is the work of vertical amplifier? The vertical amplifier simply amplify the signal to a high potential, that potential needed by vertical plate. Okay, so that we can amplify the voltage to a level by which those voltages will deflect the vertical plate. In the same case, we can amplify the voltage to a level that will amplify the horizontal, deflect the horizontal plate. This is the main thing. The input signal will deflect the plates, and electron beam generated by electron gun will be deflected to create an image. This is total working. Now we have to go from the vertical amplifier. So you know what is the working of vertical amplifier? It's easily amplify the input signal. Now what is delay line? Okay, delay line used to delay. There are lots of in input signal, there are lots of leading and lagging edge of faults in the waveform. So with the use of delay line, we can investigate those leading and lagging edges in the waveform. Okay, and also you can see when the input signal goes to the vertical plate, it's easily reached to the vertical plate. But when the input signal goes to the horizontal plate, it first comes to the triggering circuit, then goes to the time base, then goes to the horizontal amplifier, then goes to the horizontal plates. It needs much more time than signal reach to the vertical plate. So we have to delay the signal to a small amount of time, so that the signal reach to the horizontal plate. Okay, then what is the triggering circuit? Working of triggering circuit. Triggering circuit is used to convert the input signal into a trigger pulse, so that input signal and sweep frequency can be synchronized. Now what is sweep frequency? Actually, oscilloscope consists a sweep generator internally that generates repetitive ramp wave, and it applied on horizontal deflecting plate to deflect electron max to min amplitude corresponding to max to min sweep. Okay, so there's a sweep frequency inside the oscilloscope, and that sweep frequency should be synchronized with the input frequency. Else, if the frequency of input signal and sweep generator frequency not synchronized, then the screen or image will be off from the screen. They will not created on the image screen. Okay. So this is the work of triggering circuit. And what is the work of time base? It is used to generate a short voltage, just like a DSO, to deflect the electron beam in horizontal direction. Okay, short voltage is needed to deflect the horizontal plate. It is very important. Okay, and the horizontal amplifier amplifies the signal to a highest voltage so that the horizontal plate will be deflect. So this is the total working diagram of CRO, and I'm also providing the theory. That theory you can write if you need it. You can pause the video and write this. This is total theory of each and every block. I hope it will be beneficial to you. You can pause the video and write it. Okay, and this is the working of CRO. So friend, this is the total working of CRO. I hope it will be helpful, and thanks for watching my video.